Mayor Paul Young, you are not understanding. You are betraying Dr. Martin Luther King. You see, it is a Orange Mound is a monument to black resilience, black faith, and black agency. Yet today, its history is being rewritten to erase the very people who built it. That Orange Mound Sign of 1890 is wrong. It is written on the new sign that Orange Mound began in 1890. This date was not chosen to honor truth, but to rob black people of agency. Agency means the power to act, to create, to build for yourself. And in 1879, black people in Memphis exercised that agency when they founded Mount Moriah Baptist Church and Mount Pisgah Church in 1879. You see, these churches were not just places of worship. They were anchors of a black community already thriving in Orange Mound. In fact, in 1883, Mount Moriah Baptist Church purchased the land at Boston and Carnes, where it still stands today. By 1890, Shelby County placed a school directly behind the church at Boston and Spotswood. A school proves what the sign denies. There was already an existing black community organized, educated, and proud. But in 1890, a white man named Eugene Easley Mitchell bought 60 acres of land and registered the subdivision as Orange Mound. He did not create the community. He simply put his name on it and what black people had already built. Yet history books and now the new sign that Black Memphis Mayor Paul Young put up credit the white man, erasing the black agency of black churches and black families who had been there for over a decade. This is the old practice of white supremacy as being supported by Black Memphis Mayor Paul Young, whereas whites appropriate black achievement, giving credit to white men, and now Black Memphis Mayor Paul Young gonna give the credit of a white man by putting up a sign that says Orange Mound started in 1890. They are betraying the truth. They are betraying black pride and betraying the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King, who gave his life in Memphis for justice and dignity. Dr. King taught us that silence in the face of injustice is betrayal. To uphold the 1890 date is to side with white supremacy against black agency. It is to erase the churches, the families, the children, and the schools that prove Orange Mound began in 1879. This is not just about a sign, Mayor Paul Young. It's about whether black leaders will honor black truth or bow to white lies. It is about whether Memphis will celebrate the agency of its black people or continue to erase them. Mayor Paul Young, by you supporting this falsehood, you are betraying Dr. King and the black Memphis leaders who are silent. Dr. King said silence is betrayal. You are betraying the people of Orange Mound, and you are betraying the very idea of black pride. Orange Mound started in 1879, and that is the truth. That is the history, and that is the agency of black people. That no sign, no mayor, no white supremacist narrative can erase. Orange Mound is not the creation of Eugene Mitchell. It is the creation of black churches, black families, and black agency. To deny that is to deny us, and we will not be denied. Mayor Paul Young, we will not be denied. What you're doing is wrong, is racist, and is white supremacist act, and you should be ashamed of yourself.